Hi, Karen here. I just submitted 3 art pieces to my local gallery, and in this video, I want to show you how they were made. The first one started with this piece of wood. My idea was to make a 3D seascape. I began making components like these. At the same time, I found this dramatic wolf coloring book page and used it as inspiration for a mosaic. The show at the gallery was about wildlife and conservation, so I wanted him to be fierce and noble. I used a lot of dishes, cups, and bowls. Back to the sea life. I needed to make a base of the seafloor, and I used Apoxie Sculpt to make interesting coral shapes. The round pieces are shapes I also made with pal Tiya. While waiting for things to cure, I made the last piece using a color book image as inspiration. I wanted her to be sweet and very happy. So the sea life was all stuck down, the coral was painted, all the little details done, and here it is. Wow, what fun projects, right? I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know what you think. Bye!